questions like number 10 are still switch and solve, but it's a lot of work to get there. So let's first by writing this y equals so that we can make our switch. I'm going to change all of the y's to x and all of the x's to y's. So we're left with x equals and then y minus 2 over 3y plus 7. You will do every single one of these the exact same way here. And it's a lot of work, but first we want to get rid of that denominator. So essentially I'm multiplying both sides by 3y plus 7. When I do that, the denominator cancels on the right, and then I need to multiply x by 3y plus 7. So I just rewrote it because it makes it a little bit easier to see the distributing. That's going to be 3xy plus 7x equals y minus 2. Now here's the other kind of trick to this question, is you want to get all of the y's to one side, or all of the terms with a y to one side, and all of the numbers without a y to the other. So I want the 7x to be subtracted to the right and the y to be subtracted to the left. So that's going to give me 3xy minus y equals negative 2 minus 7x. I know it got a little messy there with what was moving around, but here we do have the terms with y now on the left, the terms without y on the right. Why did we do that? Well, we want to factor out the y because now we have a single y. Problem is earlier we had two y's, which makes it really hard to isolate. But once we factor out that y, we just have one, and all I have to do is divide by that factor, and that right there is going to equal my inverse.